welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. And Marcia is talking about Trump and, the new laws and the new things that he's implementing in, well, in the American system right now and the laws that he's trying to pass in Congress. And she's saying basically like a whole lot of people will be losing their jobs. She's mainly focusing on Jamaican and also, different people um, around the world. She's saying that for these people that are undocumented, it's going to be a very tough one for them. But she's saying that they should not worry, because God says that they're not supposed to. She's speaking about the Jamaican restaurants. She's saying that basically that they will have to now break down and basically have less people in their stores because they have to go, provide a lot of different things for their employees now. And, it's going to be a tough one. She's saying that, they're, the president basically, he's listening to Musk, which is Elkin. And because of that, um, technology has been introduced, and maybe he believes that basically, allegedly, that technology will be able to take over the work that other people are doing, but that's not so. So go and catch the video and hear what she has to say about, Trump and, him being in office and the things that he has done so far since being in office. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you joy and prosperity, peace, and above all, happiness. And my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my friends, my followers, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day today. And it's a beautiful day. Let us rise and shine and be thankful for life itself. Be thankful for just being able to breathe, because there are other people out there that aren't able to do such. There are people today with a lot of worries, a lot of problems, sadness, sickness, you name it. But we are able and strong, able body and strong. We have just another chance to do the things that are right. So let's be happy and grateful for that we have another chance to do the things that many people aren't able to do. And have yourselves a wonderful day today. Be blessed.
Yes, you see what me, you see? So, boy, I mean, I know. Listen to me. A God will say. And a lot of people who ain't got no paper. The Bible says, let not your heart be troubled. Donald Trump is not God. And Donald Trump can't break up a law in a certain things. He can't get away with it. Before he make nothing happen to America, God will fix him business. So if him thinks him will make nothing happen to God people and go on and make God people suffer, he will see how which God he must serve. Because God surely will fix him. So all you have to do is to come together and pray. You have to go pray more than ever. And you have to go believe in God. You got to pray more than ever and pray him out. Pray him out. Pray him out before you run this country with pure technology. Pray him out. That's what he wants. Me not care what anybody wants to say. California burning down is a conspiracy. Let Marcia Campbell tell you now. California fire is not normal. California fire is intentionally. It is a conspiracy. Them have big plan for California. You're not even see California work. Our money is there to give them back. You understand? It's only the poor black people them is going to suffer. All the millionaire people them. I bet you them not come back with no house like that. I bet you them will carry the house them like a Dubai house them. It's a conspiracy. This is America to rasclat. Don't tell me this is America. California burn down for over a week now. And America, don't tell me, say. Then couldn't fly out thousands of firefighters and in a warplane can drop water. Make America move them bomber clot from ya. Is conspiracy. Them know what them doing. What is it for them to box in some army and navy plane? The same way them have technology for drop bomb part of the country, and the same way they have a technology for drop water. How them not fly out too much 200 of helicopter plane come put on water upon the place. So you can't sit down there. Them through them could turn California into something else. It's only poor people them is going to suffer. Not go like that in America. You have over too much thousand of house burned down flat, too much neighborhood. Look how them can rebuild it. Then can't build them the mansion there again. And if them do build them, I could build them like them little square houses and different sitting. You can't stay them my 10. You know how the hell? What kind of fire burn so? Me never know see them and go up in the wilderness go talk to Jesus. Go talk to God. I never know them a Moses. The only fire can burn so Jesus fire back in the days. Them only not see. You can't stay about wildfire, breeze a blow east and breeze a blow west. They must know where they get breeze from and send they come blow east and west. With America, we have Army, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Marines. Look how much helicopter they have. Look how much things them have. Look how much technology them have for put in, even if somebody in the plane. I have water up in there with some tank and I spray up the water for fire. Make so much house burn down. This ain't no normal. They can't fool only they can't fool me. You're not that is not normal. And them sit down there and that is not normal. They know what they're doing. Because them knows the majority of the house in California they are insured. This is conspiracy. Then no, and look what happened. As soon as the man ready for come in, win presidency, all of them bomber clock disaster happen. Well, that I show you. As soon as him win presidency and for come in, and the first of the new year and burn on people's house. And him well relaxed. Did you hear him give any speech during California? Do you hear that man give any speech? I am so sorry to the California people. Don't worry. I'm going to make sure that's not taken care of. That man no give no speech about California. You hear the man give no speech and say, my sympathy goes out to the people who lost their lives and their family. And to all those houses. Did he give any speech about California and the wildfire? You ever seen nothing like that yet? The man do. Have you heard? Me not watch him. Me only glimpse some part. But have you heard? But whatever I have saw, have you heard that man fly to California yet? And go down at the part where them have given away stuff and try to greet the people and just condole them. And maybe I don't think he win California, Maybe that's why. But have you heard? No, anybody will hear him give speech during him any time. Have you heard that man come out and send a message to California? I say, California, don't worry. I'm going to make sure I fund that country, I fund that state, and we'll be fully taken care of. We'll not get a special tax break this year and all kind of something. Because the people them still have to pay their taxes, said we, And they was born, Have you heard him come out and said, everybody in California who get their house burned down, you're exempt this year from taxes? Eh? Him not do it. Him not give no speech. All him did that. And you can't tell Donald Trump a business too because him did a chat. Me see him have one of his colleagues, them, and he was in the hospital. Donald Trump company talk about, oh, you know, he almost died. The doctor said he's the first person he ever see lose so much blood. And he had to get blood transfusion and this. And I thought the man business right upon the inauguration speech, you know. They can't see the man face. And I tell the man whole business, you know, Donald Trump, you know. Eh? I tell the man whole business. The doctor says that, you know, he lost so much blood. I never see so much people lost so much blood and he nearly died. See him right here, standing right here. The man face was like, Lord, him sat Donald Trump, I tell me whole business. You know watch him? You didn't watch him? You can't, Donald's a chat. Boy, I mean, I know. Listen to me. A lot of uno. The only thing keep on right now in a this time yeah, with Donald Trumpy is faith. Because now people are afraid. And the people them have to come out and go on and work. People are afraid all them bills is going to pay. That's why you must be careful on the trouble people too. And you must be careful on who no help on social media. Like that little whole witch over there so. We over there call up my name all the time. And I go on. And no she alone, only one dirty adassa. I don't know where you top call up my name for. Next time I go to church, I sow seed for you. Don't think for your name. I don't sow nothing this at Sunday, but next Sunday coming, I will sure put your name on the paper list for you. I will surely put you, since I see I run up your 14, your name will be on the list too. You see things about it, you don't have no understanding, especially when it comes to the woman of Portland. Me pass over there with her big belly, high and close. Me hear she did a talk in a video talk about when I yesterday, oh, me a beg man for married me. And if me beg man for married me. If me a beg man for married man not go want me. Then me I say to myself, say, begging man for married to me and decreeing something over my life is totally different thing. And that is one thing with people up here. They don't have no wisdom and understanding to comprehend into intellectual conversations. Because this a woman I come out and share with some people were because if I, Marcia Campbell, from the day I come on social media for all these years that I have been divorced, every God Almighty video, I think, and my supporters them is here, my two little supporters them is here as a witness. I have always stated that I am not somebody to shock up in a house with. I am a wifey if me want to get married. So if I am dating somebody and I am declaring over my life that if a man want me and love me, them have to marry to me, that is totally different from me begging because if me not force him according to her, say me a force man for married and whatever, I would have given him an ultimatum and left him long time. After me not in love with no man, so me can't left them. If I was forcing him, I would have gone in front of him long time and say, listen, you have to marry to me, listen, I get no more front. You have to marry to me, else me not going to have 1 more year with you. All I said was, I want to get married. And if a man love me, he must get married. And when me ready, in a certain period of time, in courtship, and if me not see married ring, I come, me left him. So how is it that forcing somebody and declaring over your life, that's totally different thing. Me not force no man, because me not force no poor man for me. Because me not there with no rich man, me there with a average working man. So me not going to after him not rich. Eh? After him not rich. Hold on a little bit. Hold on. You see me, I tell you. I look at that. I must say Spider-Man. No, sir. People, people don't understand where I go through sleepless night sometime. Your job over, you still have your work said way. People don't understand, you know. You see people in the on social media and can't chat anything. They want chat, but they don't understand. 1 o'clock in the morning, no man climb over bed railing. Eh? I know you as person who while you have to listen out. Eh? Anyway, that's how you go. That's why I can't get no sleep. I'm telling you. So you have to learn to look into things. What people declare over them life. You have to declare over your life what you want. Nobody can intimidate me out here. Them can't chat. Everybody have them time in them life, ups and down. See people right now, nobody not even talk about it on them page that much. Because people, some of us who have our passport and our citizenship. But you must have to realize it's going to affect everybody. So nobody believes that because you have green card and citizenship, don't feel say this won't affect you too. It's going to affect you because you have family and friends. It's going to affect you in many ways because many of you don't have these people in their house renting on a house to help you pay on a mortgage. So a lot of you are going to be affected by the situation what this man are going with. Big time. Can majority of you rent in a place to room and renting to people who ain't got no paper. Especially to the one that do living job and some of you want nobody else to do living job and come home on weekend time. Una are going to be affected by it. Because a lot of people, because una don't want nobody with children in our house. Once you hear people have children, una don't want to rent them away. So this is, so when you vote for Donald Trump, you should have thinking on your ass head that you have mortgage to pay and you have all these people in our house that don't have no paper, renting from you. So what you think, say, when you not go vote for him? Una wasn't thinking that una have mortgage to pay and una have them in our house, rent out no house. I remember most immigrants, people when I have no paper, some of them are the most loyal when we pay them rent on time. And the one that we have paper don't pay nothing. Because them know them status. And so them always make sure so them pay them rent. Because them don't want no issues. Their money guaranteed. That's why you see a lot of people always ask, you do live in job, you do work? So when you think, when you were like, oh, I'm going to go out and I'm going to vote for him. Eh? You never know that. You never know that. Una wasn't thinking about that, thinking about that said it was going to affect if him really put him foot down. If get rid of people. You never know that. When you go vote for him, you never know, say, you have businesses, workplace and restaurants and work sites and all kind of something. How did they talk about Donald Trump this and Donald Trump that? The thing about it, Donald Trump can't change nothing. The Bible already stated, so shall the beginning, so shall the end. So he could have preached about gay and lesbian and whatever, it cannot work. Because once them turn away, them can't turn them back straight. It's only Jesus Christ can straighten them. So a lot of time, when we're thinking about certain things, most of when we vote Donald Trump, when we're thinking about money. Money. Oh, he's going to turn around the country. We're going to get more for taxes. We're going to do this. It is going to make the country great again. In what way? Have you ever seen any of them make any differences in a certain things? When Obama was in presidency for 8 years,